Hi, I'm Ilya, CEO and co-founder of Bitskout. Bitskout is an SaaS platform that allows enterprises add no-code AI and reward schemes to their project management tools to increase productivity and collect the field data. What happens is that we allow enterprises use their own project management tools like Asana and Monday.com and add on top of their tasks different AI algorithms that allow them to be more productive. AI models are added using simple UI interface. You can add models that analyze images. For instance, in a construction field, you can use AI model to analyze the defects of the buildings, for example, brick defects or wooden defects, or analyze in general what's on the picture to analyze it for either colors or for what objects you can see there. You can also build text analysis models. For instance, in this case, you can build even a full sentiment, customer communication sentiment analysis by using text sentiment analysis model that you can create using our AI. Each model is then wrapped into a workflow. A workflow is a set of steps that are executed to check a task. Let's say if we check this workflow, here we have a text positivity check. It means we analyze text. Each task has to have a text. If there is no text attached to a task, then the task is rejected. And then what happens is we check if the text is positive or not. If the text is not positive, that we can assign a different text to the task, or we can reject the task. What it does, it saves a lot of time on these small activities where if there is no attachment, you need to double check if there is an attachment. If the text is positive or negative, if you are writing a PR draft or you're writing a CEO blog or you're analyzing the support communications with the customer, also requires you to do some friction around that. What Bitskout does is allows you to automate certain steps so your colleagues are not bothered until the time they have to be bothered. And it all works on top of your project, like here, for example, on top of Monday.com. Even for us, we have created a customer sentiment analysis where everything that comes, every email that comes to our company, we analyze whether it's neutral or positive, and if it's negative, we can immediately take action. And using this simple dashboard, I can already see that in sales communications, we have some negative examples. In support, we're getting better. I can also filter this by, let's say, enterprise accounts and see that my enterprise accounts are mostly on the neutral sense, which allows me to tackle this why and get a closer look at that. With all allows us to, this all is allowed by using in a task using a workflow, in this case, text positivity check. There are multiple cases that we can support. There are algorithms that we can support. We can support also custom algorithms like for legal terms. We can support algorithms for medical terms. We can also allow to build customers the infrastructure so they can build their own custom algorithms. For instance, if you first start collecting images from the work done in the construction, then you can have a custom algorithm validating the quality of this work. This all allows companies progress really rapidly in their digital transformation and also motivate their employees, because each workflow execution is connected to a token, and the users can and you then later on can build different reward schemes, in this case by motivating certain behavior and allowing your employees to convert tokens into, let's say, Amazon gift card rewards, or get points, or build a system where each contractor, after the work is done and validated by Bitskout workflow, receives a point, and then you can have a quality and point-based system for selecting a contractor for certain projects. This all is enabled by Bitskout, which integrates to your current tools and allows you do that in basically using UI. Thanks a lot for your time, and see you soon.